Hi, welcome to interview.com. Interview.com is a job portal. If you're looking for a job, you can post your resume using the following link. jQuery interview questions. Very important. jQuery interview questions I'm going to explain here. What is jQuery? jQuery is a JavaScript library. Whenever I say library, a few people would have already developed the required functions. Okay, already people have developed those things. You can just use them. Okay, you can reuse those libraries. That's what the library means. So jQuery is a JavaScript library specialized for changing web page documents on the fly. jQuery's main strength is that it allows you to work with DOM. DOM means document object model. So you have an HTML file, you want to play or customize, or you want to capture an event from an HTML file. Okay, you can do that with jQuery, because DOM means document object model. The entire structure you can parse, you can traverse, you can travel, and you can get the event that you want, okay, without having to know every little thing about it. It's like an API, it's like a library where you can start using it without even knowing how exactly it works. Okay, jQuery is all about querying. You ask for something with a selector. Selector means, okay, h1 or p. In your HTML file there will be h1, p, div, whatever it is, those are our selectors. So you are asking for something with a selector, and the JavaScript interpreter asks the DOM to get it for you. Okay, for example, h1, p, image, jQuery and selector. Dollar is for jQuery, just a short form for jQuery. Okay, what exactly we are doing here is, jQuery, can you give me all the h1 p elements on the HTML page? You have an HTML page and there are a lot of h1 elements and p elements. You're just telling, hi, can you give me all the h1 elements? So I'm giving an example here so that you can understand in a better way. So the document ready, $document.ready function, when the document, it means when the doc is ready or loaded. And I mentioned button.click. So in the HTML page, whenever someone clicks on this particular button, this is a selector. Okay, what I should do, whenever someone clicks this button, hide the paragraph. Hope you are able to understand. So when the button is clicked by the user, jQuery hides all the p elements from the HTML file. Okay, it abstracts the way lot of complexity involved in dealing with DOM and makes creating effects super easy. To simply say, you don't know how exactly this one works, but it does its functionality. That's where the strength of that's what the strength of jQuery. You are just using the API without even knowing how it exactly works. Okay, I'm going to give an example so that you can understand in a better way. Okay, so here I have written a small jQuery example. I told you within the script tag you have to write your jQuery code. So document ready is like ready, and I have 4 buttons here I have written. So I'm telling move up. For the button I have given ID so that I can get the exact button. So when I say $move up, that means whenever a button with ID move up is clicked, okay, do this function, animate. Okay, let's see how exactly it works. Okay, this is an example. So let's see, change color. It changed the color. Okay, then move down. So this is how jQuery works. So I've shown you the code. Hope this video is useful for your interview preparation. Thank you for watching this video, and all the best for your interview. This video is from interview.com, a job portal. Thank you.